Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see the harmful effects of watching TV while eating and how to keep your kids away from this habit. We ourselves become responsible for this habit due to some reasons. In the initial stage, we feel good when our children eat well if they watch anything on TV or iPad or in the mobile phones. But later, when it becomes a habit or if they are addicted, we find it as a problem and we are puzzled how to solve the problem. Let's see what are the harmful effects of screen time in meal time. First of all, it causes overeating and obesity. Studies have shown that we tend to eat more while watching TV as we have not been paying enough attention to how much we are eating. Eating too much will eventually lead to obesity. Next effect is distraction. When eating food and watching TV, the brain is distracted and sends out the wrong signals to the body and does not process the taste or satisfaction of the palate. Another harmful effect is unhealthy eating habits. Unhealthy eating becomes a habit while watching television as you are unable to appreciate the food you eat if you are concentrating on the TV. Next harmful effect is lower metabolism. Watching TV while eating lowers the metabolic rate, leading to the food being digested slower and fat being burned slowly. Next harmful effect is indigestion. Eating while watching TV and digestion are linked as you are unable to process how much and what you are eating. This in turn will lead to problems with digestion as your body is unable to properly digest the amount or kind of food being eaten. Next harmful effect is no satisfaction. When your mind needs to concentrate on two things at once, it is unable to enjoy either of them properly. So you neither enjoy food nor enjoy your TV. Harmful effect is no family interaction. If everyone is more interested in watching TV while eating, the conversation that families usually enjoy during meals will not take place, and there will be even less time for family bonding in this busy time and age. The harmful effects of screen time in meal time. So the best thing is to do is not to form this habit at all. However, now let us see how to keep your kids away from screen time. First of all, give them complete attention. Give your child your complete attention so that they know that meal times are only for food. So their attention will not be diverted here and there, searching for anything on mobile or TV. Next important tip is give food when the child is hungry. If your child is comfortably hungry, he will not be that much bothered about whether he has the TV in front of him or not. Third thing is be a role model. Child will observe the habit of parent. Ensure that the whole family eats meals without including television. Otherwise, it won't matter if you are trying to form good habits in your child. Children will observe the habits of their parents and will follow in their behavior. Even if your child still refuses to eat without the TV or mobile or iPad, you can consult a psychologist or a therapist for professional help. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember that these days our lives are very busy, and sometimes meal times as a family are the only times that a family gets to really bond with each other and share how their days were. So keep meal times as family time and enjoy the meal. Thank you for watching.